This one goes out to you and yours. Worldwide, I say, hey, I'll be gone today, but I'll be back on around the way. Seems like everywhere I go, the more I see, the less I know. But I know one thing, that I love you.
Good morning, vlog. We are on the way to river rafting. Look at the view. Little update for you all. So last night we got robbed and all our money got stolen. I lost my wallet, but that was just low-key my fault because I found it. No one stole it. Everyone got their money stolen and then the person was caught and they got kicked out of the place. It was pretty crazy, but we're all thriving and having fun.
Let me cook. It's not taking a picture. It's recording a video.
Leave your towels on your seat when we get back. One of us will come in and take your towels off the seat and hand them out. Trust me, you're going to want to do that. Otherwise, you're not going to have your towel.
Ocean sick.
So excited.
Are you guys so excited for it?
Very excited.
We just got back from river rafting. I fell in the water. Jacob, how was river rafting for you?
Yellow boat sucks.
Hey!
Red boat on top, we won.
Or there's tacos, or nachos.
Nachos.
Wait, do the chicken tacos come with fries? Are there chicken burritos or just steak burritos?
Cannon, if you had to survive on an island with one person here, who would it be and why?
Probably Blake.
Why?
He's the GOAT. If you could go to the island with one person, who would it be?
Probably Grace.
Who?
Grace. I feel like she's very resourceful, and I feel like I feel like she knows me the best.
What about you?
Blake.
Why?
Because he's smart and he's nice and I wouldn't want to punch him in the face.
Yeah, low-key Blake.
Low-key Blake?
I vibe with Blake, and he's a gentleman, and he's good at like stuff on the work site. So yeah.
If you could survive, you can look at the camera. Look at the camera, bro. If you could take one person to the island, who would it be? Survive on an island.
One person? Tosh.
Why?
He's just 34 ACT score, that's just money. Can't beat the statistics, I'm sorry. Can't beat the facts. But if that was a girl, give me Elsie.
Elsie? Ooh, alright. Alright, if you could survive with one person, who would it be?
Bro.
Who would it be?
It would low-key be Jacob.
Wow.
Wow, why?
Yeah, why?
I don't know, I just feel like I vibe with him. He would, I don't know, and Blake, or Blake.
Jacob or Blake?
Because Blake is like, he can work hard. Like, he invented stairs at the work site.
I still slipped in the mud though. But he like,
If it was a girl,
why are you laughing?
Okay.
This is my favorite thing about being the editor, because then I can know the true meaning behind some things. I literally hate you guys. Now I just feel stupid.
And if you could survive with one person on the island, who would it be?
I'd want to kill everyone. That's the problem. Wow. Muy bien. Guys, look how much taller I am than Brooke. We are so tired. No, don't zoom in on my face.
Zoom in,
See, adios. Adios.
What's up, vlog?
What's up?
We just got back from church.
We're not back.
We sang in Sacrament and we did so good. What would you rate the singing out of 10?
Practicing on the bus was probably like a 9.
Yeah,
Actually, performing it was probably like a 7.
I give it an 8.
What do you think?
I think it was like probably like a 2 or a 3.
Oh my gosh.
Bro be hating.
I don't know. There's some bad pronunciation, so like.
They don't understand.
Yeah, it's chill though.
Hi guys. We're going to do missionary work, and I can't wait. BK wants to vlog.
What is up, vlogs? So we got Emily over here, and her eye got bitten by an ant. We got Blake here. We got Caleb on the left. I'm John. There's a view outside. It's pretty goofy.
We're going to missionary visits right now.
Last time me and Grace went together, we got soaked. The weather's looking better outside right now.
Can I get an interview question? Just let me interview Tosh. Alright. Tosh, what is your favorite person on this trip? Favorite person on this trip? Gotta be Johnny, the bus driver. So wholesome, just a great guy. So, maybe Don or Livy Don? Maybe we're going to Livy Don? I've got to go Livy Don.
Interview me.
Cannon, Livy Don or Baby Gronk?
Livy done. Next question.
Skibidi or Sigma?
Sigma.
Next question.
Grimace?
Grimace, I am blowing through these questions.
No, his wife's working.
I'm watching her. She's working?
Yeah, she's
Currently hanging our Spanish performance. Elsie's doing an amazing job.
Yes.
So is Tana. Así es Tana.
Hey guys, this is Griffin and I's handshake. 5, 6, 7, 8. We are in Costa Rica, not in Puerto Rico. Boom, dangling. We are Costa Rica and we're having a great time. And we got our Miami and she stole a couple of dimes. Dimes.
Me and my roommates are so fast. Same one I told you not to.
Yes.
Insane. I'm not embarrassed.
You are! Hey guys, first day back on the work site and I am munching on Cheerios and Griffin is watching me. Are we vlogging? Guys, I'm determined to get builder of the day, so I'll let you know if it works out. Spotlight of the day! Male spotlight of the day is normally a very lazy worker, so male worker today is Cannon! Yeah! I did it! Claps and punch for Cannon! Cannon! The girl worker of the day is, drumroll, Mary! Claps and punch for Mary! Wait, why? She was locked in when everyone else wasn't. Me and Cam. Thanks, guys.
Excuse me.
Can you not? How do you guys feel that I got it?
Oh, I was gonna be on the stick!
Wow.
Look at that!
Let me say something. I like, what the Sigma?
He likes children.
I'd like to give a shout out to all my haters. Jose, Parker, Lily, literally everyone else. All these people.
Hey, I don't hate you.
It's just I like little kids, bro. Can I vlog?
Only if you don't put your face so close to the camera.
Hey, vlog.
Can I vlog?
He's up.
I said
This right here?
Let me turn this off.
Parker has the wrist on you. Parker has the wrist.
Oh, come on, Parker, come on.
Caleb.
Look at my head.
Alright, ready? Set, go.
My arm is so tired.
Hey guys, we are in McDonald's in Costa Rica. Right now we got our McFlurries and we just had our Big Macs talking to a crazy man.
Why are you talking like that?
It's kind of funny.
Okay,
Thanks for coming.
Thank you for coming.